Hello everyone, happy Giving Tuesday. Today I want to talk to you about what you and I can do about Giving Tuesday. Now what I share with you today is not probably anything that you have not thought of already, but I do believe sometimes we need reminders. So I don't know if you were one that was out of the house on Black Friday shopping. Perhaps you were supporting small businesses on Saturday like I was, and I loved every minute of it. Or maybe you were on your computer for Cyber Monday like I was. This year I feel really good. I put some thought into what I wanted to give the people that are in my life, and I think I'm finished shopping. And that's unusual for me, but I'm thrilled because now I can really go through the rest of November and December feeling things instead of being numb to them. Does anybody understand what I'm saying when I say that? Because sometimes we can be on that hamster wheel in December and we really do forget what it means to celebrate this holiday. But today I want to talk to you about Giving Tuesday, and I want to talk to you about what we can give without getting our PayPal account set up or our Venmo account or our credit card ready or our checkbook. Does anybody write a check anymore? I do, every once in a while. But this costs nothing, and it's Giving Tuesday. Now, certainly, you can give things that cost things on this day. I'm gonna be donating some money to an inner city organization that I really, really believe in. So it's okay, but this, what I wanna talk to you about is completely free. And it can cause a domino effect. Just the other day, I was packing up some of my kids' toys and I came across Domino's. I love Domino's. So I bring a lot of our toys down to our cabin. So this was just on my counter a few days ago, and I packed up the whole box and I'm sending it down there. But we can create a domino effect, a butterfly effect, if you will, a ripple effect by giving some things that are completely free. Did you know, and if you don't know this, I want you to really, really grasp this, but did you know that you and I were made for greatness? We are not made for mediocrity or to settle. We are made for greatness, and we are created powerful. We are. We may not always feel powerful, but we are powerful. And in that power, we can really spread that power like crazy, especially on this Giving Tuesday. We are so powerful. Our words are powerful, right? We can say beautiful things. We can say ugly things. We can say hurtful things. We can say angry things. That's powerful. Our actions can be powerful. We can do great things. We can do really mean things. Our deeds, our thoughts are powerful. We can think wonderful thoughts, or we can think awful thoughts about others and about ourselves. You and I don't live in a vacuum. Now, let me explain what that means, because for a long time I thought, what does that mean, we don't live in a vacuum? Well, it simply means that you and I do not live in total isolation, unless you're a hermit, I guess, or a monk, but we do not live in total isolation. We have interaction all the time with people, and our actions affect everyone. We may not see that they affect everyone, but they can have a domino effect or a butterfly effect. If you have not read the book, The Butterfly Effect, I actually pulled this out last night to send a screenshot to my son who was wanting books. The Butterfly Effect. Excellent book. If you've read it, put something in the comments and you and I will have a conversation about it. But it is a great book. But you and I, we don't live in isolation. Nothing that we do happens in a void. It is connected to everyone, and we may not see it. Because we live in this interconnected world, and we do. We've got the internet, we've got social media, we've got cell phones that can reach anywhere. We don't have landlines or party lines Anybody grow up in a party line? I did. But anyway, we are interconnected like never before. And our life is not, it truly is a we kind of life and not just a me life. We are connected to everyone. So what does this have to do with Giving Tuesday? Well, I'll get to it. So when you and I are crabby, that crabbiness affects other people. My son came home crabby last night. He actually warned me, which was great because he warned me. He said, I'm crabby. Well, his crabbiness started to wear off on me, and I started to get touchy, and I started to get defensive. Just like when I'm crabby at home, same thing happens. When you and I are spiteful, that rubs off on people. When we're selfish, that rubs off on people. When we're rumor mongers, that rubs off on people. But when you and I are happy, that rubs off on people too. We allow them to become happy. We allow them to experience joy. They start to trust us more because we are in a place of happiness or contentment. So the bad things can be a butterfly effect or a domino effect, but the great things can be as well. So today, and this is the part where I don't really have to tell you about this. This video is no news to you, but sometimes I think we need to be reminded. So today, especially today on this Giving Tuesday, but really beyond, let's create a domino effect, a butterfly effect, a ripple like a wave effect. When we smile, it makes other people smile. When we do random acts of kindness, we may not see it, but it makes other people, it plants seeds of, man, I could do that same thing. How many times have you been in a Starbucks line and somebody buys your Starbucks ahead of you, or maybe at McDonald's, and it ripples behind? It just happens. When we pay it forward, it creates a ripple effect. When we express appreciation, it creates a ripple effect. You know, we say thank you a lot. Thank you, you're welcome. But when's the last time you have said, and I'm working on this, so I'm a work in progress, I appreciate you because blank. And I've been working on this a lot, and I've seen the ripple effect. But I appreciate you because you answer the phone late at night when you know I need you. I appreciate you when you went that extra mile to find the answer that I couldn't come up with. Or I appreciate you that you brought me a dinner when I was sick and I needed a dinner and you did it for me. When's the last time we've done that? That creates a ripple effect, especially on a Giving Tuesday. It would be a wonderful thing to give. So that's it. That's my video. It's a no-brainer, but I think it's so important because we are so interconnected. So let's start rippling the great things and not rippling those bad things. If you got any value, hey, I would love to know, first of all, what are you going to give on this Tuesday? If it's monetary, awesome. If it's your time, let us know. If it's what is it? Share with us. I'd love to know where you're watching this from. Are you right here in my hometown of St. Louis, Missouri, or are you beyond? But let me know what you're rippling today. What are you creating a domino effect? If you haven't gotten this book, get it. It's a great stocking stuffer. And that might have shown up backwards because my camera's backwards today. So I will say that it's Andy Andrews, The Butterfly Effect. Have a great Tuesday. Enjoy your Giving Tuesday. I can't wait to find out what you guys decide to give. And I'll post below as well. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your day.